That is our Dahi Bhalle. You can see how soft they are. Don't they look yummy? Welcome to Desilicious kitchen. Today, in this video, we are going to walk you through how to make soft and delicious Dahi Bhalle. Along the way, we are going to show you every tip and trick to make these yummy vadas. So, what are we waiting for? Let us begin. Guys, if you like our channel, subscribe to us and press the bell icon to receive notifications from us. So, we have taken 1 cup urad dal or split black gram, washed it very well and then soaked it in water. We need to soak it in water for at least 4 hours. Minimum is 4 hours. So we have soaked it in water for 6 hours. Urad dal increases in size after soaking in water. So you can see the difference between urad dal which is soaked in water and which is not soaked. You can see how it has multiplied in size. So this is how we want for our Dahi Bhalle. And now after draining the water, we have taken the urad dal in a mixer jar. Now we are going to grind it adding as little water as possible. First we will grind it without adding water. And if necessary, we will add very little cold water. So we have begun to grind it. First without adding water. We need to add very little water here. See, that is how we are adding cold water. Just spoonfuls of water at a time. Again some spoonfuls. We must have added about 2 tablespoons water in total. So our batter is ready. It should be like this, paste-like in consistency. We don't want a very thick batter. If it is thick and dry, then the vadas will be very thick. And if it is thin, then the vadas will absorb too much oil and you will have greasy vadas. So your batter should actually be like toothpaste in consistency. Now let us add some salt and 1 teaspoon Jeera or cumin seeds. Mix it well. And now comes the real hard work. We have to whisk this batter in one direction. We are whisking it to form air pockets. These air pockets will make the vadas very soft. That is why it's important to whisk in one direction. If you whisk in the opposite direction, all the air pockets that you have helped formed will get removed. Now we have finished whisking the batter. We whisked for about 5 minutes continuously. Add some Khajur and kishmish or cashew nuts and raisins to this batter. This will give an awesome taste. Mix it well. And now we are going to deep fry the. Now let us heat oil to deep fry the vadas. When the oil is hot, drop small portions of the batter into the hot oil. Drop one at a time and don't drop too many of them. If you overcrowd the pan, then the vadas will stick to each other. And we have to keep the flame medium while cooking the vadas. If the oil is too hot, the vadas will not get cooked inside. And if the oil is not too hot, not sufficiently hot, then the vadas will become too oily. And keep pouring some oil on the vadas so that they puff up well like puris. And once they turn golden brown and are cooked from all sides, remove them from flame. So, one batch of vadas are all ready. Aren't they looking yummy? Drain and again let them drain on a kitchen towel. So fry all the vadas this way. Remember to fry them on medium heat. And now when all the vadas are fried, we have to wait for them to cool down. But right now, I am showing you one vada which is very hot. I am breaking it and showing it to you. See how soft and well cooked it is. Now we have to wait for the vadas to totally cool down. Now the vadas have cooled down. And now again I am breaking one vada to show you. The vadas are still as soft as they were. We have taken warm water in the vessel and we are adding our vadas to this warm water. Remember that the vadas have now totally cooled down. Never add hot vadas to the warm water. Now we are going to soak the vadas in the warm water. We want the vadas to be submerged. But because they are light in weight, they keep coming up. So to keep them submerged, we are going to place a small plate on top of the vadas. And then we are going to place a weight on top of this small plate. And cover the entire thing for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, let us check on the vadas. Our vadas seem to have visibly increased in size. They look bigger now because they have absorbed water. Now let us just gently squeeze the water. We don't want to remove all the water. This process removes excess oil and also makes the vadas soft. Now add salt and 1 tablespoon Jeera powder or cumin seed powder, half teaspoon Hing powder or asafoetida powder, and now again add water finally now. We are going to again soak the vadas, place a small plate, repeat the same process, keep weight on this plate and cover for 2 hours. Now while the vadas are soaking in water, let us ready the curds for the Dahi Bhalla. Whisk and make them smooth and add sugar. We have added 3/4 cup sugar. Adjust sugar as per taste and mix it well together. Remember not to blend sugar and curd in mixer. If you do so, it will get diluted. So never blend sugar and curd in mixer. Now we have finished mixing both and we are going to refrigerate this curd and sugar. Now after 2 hours, let us check on the Dahi Bhalla. Our vadas have visibly increased in size even more because they have absorbed water. Now we are not going to squeeze it, we are just going to lightly touch it and remove the excess water. We don't want to remove all the water from the vadas, just the excess water. So do this for all the vadas, and then in the meanwhile we have removed the curd from the refrigerator. It is all set and mixed with the sugar. So now let us serve this vadas. Pour dahi or curd over it. Add green chutney. Do check out the recipe of this green chutney in our channel. We have already posted it. It's a yummy recipe. And now we are adding Khajur and imli chutney or date and tamarind chutney. This recipe is also posted. Do check it out. Wow! See how yummy our Dahi Bhallas look. And this masala is a very special masala for Dahi Bhalla. Do check this also out. We have posted all these recipes in our channel. Don't miss them, check them out and try them out. And now we are going to garnish with some seb. This is optional, but because we are garnishing it. Some people also add pomegranates or anar. See how yummy and soft our vadas are. Here, have a bite. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe of Dahi Bhalla. Do give this a try and give us a feedback here. In the meanwhile, take care. See you soon with another video. Bye for now.